I spent 1 hour only remaking AMV. As I open up YouTube and begin my search for a perfect AMV, so I watched several videos until I found this video.
Got it one in my bed and she just wanna sleep. Fucking up all of the sheets.
Before I start the challenge, I make the clip ready. So let's start the challenge. First stop the intro. This part easy and fast. I will do the text and add little effect for the text. And we have the zooms in the last. A quick zoom in and out. The intro took me around 5 minutes to finish it. Moving to the next part. As you see in this part, I will use a 3D camera and text. Starting with the type of the text. So I go to the font to select a good font and bring the text to After Effects and add some effect. After I finish the text, I start to do a camera movement, and lastly the particle. I do a normal particle to save time. So this part took me around 18 minutes. Part 3. This part includes some opacity with some blur and zooms at the end. I start to do the opacity with some exposure, then I go to do the zooms. In original video it has some twitch and shakes, so I try my best to make it same. Part 3 took me around 15 minutes to finish it. As I delivered into part 4, I have to mask and duplicate clip while adding effect and filling them with white color. But with some quick thing I was able to finish it off in short time. Reaching in part 5, I think he adds edge direct with the glow effect, so I try to make it and add the zoom in and out. At the final part, I start to make the invert effect by using the adjustment and add zoom in and out. So I almost finished 70% of the edit and left with the shakes, color correction and some adjustment to make it clear. And time remaining is 7 minutes, so I start to do it as fast as possible. Please enjoy the final results.
We done crash, we done burn, but
いいてえな
damn flame.
そんな名前で呼
See,
ば
I
ない
wanted
で
love, but you wanted goddamn fame. Every goddamn thing. I wanted a bitch who was on the move, but you wanted goddamn late. That's my problem. Got it one in my bed and she just wanna sleep. Fucking up all of the sheets. She only wake up to eat. Do this shit every week. Like how you do that? Crying, you wanna be great, but sleeping until the next day. How you do that? Got that much in the bank. We go out, you better stay.